Welcome back to Autoscope. The pinnacle of luxury and unrestricted travel is the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome. Luxurious ruggedness is the exterior style. Iconic design lines, the Range Rover's reductionist design language is maintained, with streamlined surfaces, tasteful yet understated accents, and straight lines. Future lighting, the headlights and taillights will employ the most recent adaptive matrix LED technology. Modern access, the main entry will have an automatic opening mechanism, possibly with an electronic ladder that is hidden away when not in use. Undiscovered Off-Road Features, despite being a campervan, the Range Rover maintains its off-road capabilities. The interior design is called Walking Sanctuary. Premium materials, the finest real wood veneers and semi-aniline leather will be utilized most often. Driver cockpit, the dashboard will be fully digital and have two large, easy-to-use Pivi Pro dual touchscreens. The driver and front passenger seats will include 20-way electronic adjustability, heating, cooling, and massage features. Living area, cozy L-shaped sofa or two independent captain chairs with motorized folding tables. The perfect atmosphere may be created with adjustable LED ambient lighting. Kitchen features include a large sink with a stylish faucet, a 2 or 4 burner induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator freezer, and an integrated microwave convection oven. The king-size bed in the master bedroom has an expensive orthopedic mattress. Advanced Powertrains, plug-in hybrid PHEV to offer a considerable electric range for city driving. The flagship PHEV model will pair an inline 6-cylinder gasoline engine Ingenium with a powerful electric motor. Pure Electric BEV, a fully electric BEV model with an exceptional range is most likely in the works, utilizing an 800 volts electrical system for lightning-fast charging. Range Rover's most advanced all-wheel drive AWD system is called Terrain Response 2. Adaptive air suspension is a type of electronic air suspension that automatically adjusts the vehicle's ride height. HT for the best possible road comfort. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS.